guys, good morning, happy new month to you guys. Today I have package to a box, so I just went down to go and pick up the package where I'm picking up my order because I'm no longer using my address. So I just went there to go and pick up my order. So guys, let me just show you guys. This is the order. So this here, they are all my clothes and some of our house use, like all the things we use at home, but not all, just few of it. So I'm going to unbox it to show you guys. Let's unbox it together. Although this is all my clothes, my winter clothes, because I don't have this is trouser, this is like this. Because it's almost time for school to go and pick the kids for school, so I need to be fast. So this, I think this is shirt, and this is hair gel. These are all the attacks that I've been waiting for. I want to use it and do my daughter's hair. So these are it. They are good though, they are nice. They are good. Big. I think this is spray. This is spray. This is like this. This, I saw it on TikTok shop, so I wait for it and I bought it. But I did not buy it on TikTok shop, I bought it from Shein. So because I want to be doing it at home sometime. So once my baby sleep in the morning, I will be doing it. I also bought him mask so that it can be helping me at home. Here is top. This is my daughter's towel. Yes, I have the short one, but I go for the long one. This hair is also short leggings for summer. It's also leg is up and down short. So I may not show you guys all. This is shirt. This is also shirt, guys. All those clothes here, yeah, winter clothes. And there is cold. So I'm going out so that I can be able to see something to put on. Here they are all shirts. So this is, I think this is no, eyeglass. This is eyeglass. Let's see how it looks like because I love it. It's good for out there. I find the oil for myself. So I'm going for the castle oil. But I'll be adding. That's why I bought this oil. This is it. This is ginger oil. Yes, I see it. Mommy. Another shit. So guys, me and my son, we are finished unboxing the whole clothes. So don't forget to follow me, subscribe and like. Stay tuned. I will see you guys. Ooh, unboxing. Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? So I bought these things from a store on Saturday. I found it in Africa shop, so I bought it. So I want to start drinking it. This is apple cider vinegar, so all of you know it. So it's good for weight loss journey. So they say before you drink it, you have to dilute it with warm water. So I will start drinking it now. Let me see how it's going to go. I've not eaten. So this is to eat. So I've not eaten anything. So I will start drinking it and I will keep you guys updated. But once I finish, tomorrow I have to weigh myself to see how it is. So this is it. So I'll bring out hot water now so that I can drink it so that you guys can see. So this is my cup. I have my cup here. I have my cup here. So I pour the hot water inside the cup. I have spoon here, so I will have to open it. Ciao. As you can see, I'm opening it. So I've already shaken it down, so I have to shake it again. This is my first time of trying this apple cider vinegar, but today I'm going to buy lemon to top it up with lemon. So I am in my kitchen, so if you see any kitchen things, don't vex. So they say 1 spoon, just 1 spoon, like this. It's okay. Let's see how it go, guys. Yeah. I don't like the taste. I don't like the taste. It tastes like do you know that the pine wine? It tastes the sour of the apple cider vinegar. It look like pine wine. You know what is pine wine? That wine that Africa used to drink. So that is what the taste look, the sour look like. Let's try it. Cheers, guys. I like it, but I have to close my eye to drink it. Guys, this is very expensive, so it's very, as it's small, so it's very expensive. I bought it 20 euro, just like this. So imagine how much they will sell the big one. 20 euro. Well, I just finished drinking it. Yeah, I'll just say this is day 1. Let's see how it go, because I watch people that is drinking it on YouTube. They say it's good for digestion. It's also good for weight loss. It's also clean everything in your body. It cleans up. This is my first time of trying it. Let's see how it go. But trust me, I don't like the taste. But am I still going to throw it away? No. Am I going to drink it? Yes. So guys, I'm going to be cleaning my face after this video, because I want to go address my daughter for school. So after that, I will come and clean my face, because this face is very rough. So I have the water here for my face and the teeth to clean the face. So I bought this thing at the store. It's to remove hair. I have hair here, so I need to take off the excess hair. If you see, you will see that I have hair, so I need to take off the excess hair here. So since I bought it, I have not opened it, so I want to try it now. So let me see how it's going to work. So I want to bath. I want to just quickly clean my face before I bath. This is how it look like. So I think you use one, you take one out of it. Ah yeah. Guys, this put a lot of hair. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a lot of hair. This thing is nice. You remove the hair here, everything is wiped out, but it's painful. So painful. This is the last one, then I'll go and bath because the face is not clean. As you can see, so I'm going to the bathroom to go and have my bath, and everything is going to be looking nice. So let's go and have our bath. I think this is work because I have a lot of hair here. Just remove everything. Remove everything. So let's go and bath.